in for some power. Oh yeah, didn't expect that, did you?
Gotcha, there goes my old voltage.
There went your charge.
Well, we'll just we'll let it charge for a minute. Oh, I did a 41.7.
Oh, you only did a 41. This is on the video.
Nice work.
All right, I'll reset it.
Yeah, reset that.
All right. So, legitimate video. We're gonna be clamping.
Okay, now we know that'll fall.
Okay, volts AC. You had a pretty high nominal impedance there. I'm hoping that was because they're hooked up to the amp. Alright. Amps.
Now that I used all of my voltage.
Yeah.
Alright, when you're ready.
I'm holding them, so whenever you're ready, man. Shit, I lost the meter.
You didn't see it?
Seriously, no.
I just did a 49.35, man.
Well, I'm sorry, but...
Okay, well, hold the meter. You got the meter held?
Hold on. Because I only had the corner of it.
Now we're going to have inaccurate readings.
Oh, you'll be fine.
Alright, you ready?
Alright, I got them both. That was a good reading.
I did a 49.35. That time I did a 49.25. But I didn't reset it so you saw the first part.
Oh, okay. Well, close enough.
You recalibrated it. It reads 39 on the dot now instead of 38.75 or...
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright. At the headrest.
Don't record all the garbage.